A new quarterly security patch update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G mobile. And as this is officially the last update for this device. After this, no more updates will be rolled out for this model. Coming to the size of this update, it's 292.13 MB and the security patch has been updated to October month. Now, after installing this update, I will tell you if I noticed any issues or changes. This is the first FE series from Samsung, the one that started it all. And now, in this year, we're already seeing the S25 FE making its way. When it comes to the S20 FE, Samsung initially promised 5 years of updates, including monthly security patches as well. But after the fourth year, they started rolling out quarterly updates instead of monthly ones. Still, this mobile has been an absolute solid performer with great specs and reliability. Even now, I keep getting comments from users saying this mobile is still working perfectly fine even in this year, and I completely agree. I never sold this phone, and honestly, I don't plan to. I'll keep it with me and continue checking how well this device holds up as the years pass by. The update itself took around 5 minutes to complete. Just make sure you don't press any buttons while it's being updated. Coming to my review of this update, there are no issues on my device. Everything is working smoothly and no green line issues either. So yes, this is the final software update video for the S20 FE on this channel. But don't worry, I'll keep posting about how this mobile performs in the coming years. So comment below, how is your S20 FE doing? Are you facing any issues with it?